What type of lime will kill weeds? Although there is no type of lime application that will technically kill weeds in your lawn, there are various liming agents that can improve your lawn's health and help it to fight weeds on its own. It is crucial to make sure that your soil needs lime prior to application, otherwise, you can actually weaken your lawn and make it more susceptible to weeds. Types. A variety of materials can be used to lime your lawn. Dolomitic and ground limestone are safe options that will slowly change the pH of the soil. Both are typically applied at a rate of 50 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Pelletized limestone, while more expensive than other types of lime, is easy to apply and works quickly. It is applied at the same rate as dolomitic and ground limestone. Burned and hydrated lime are more hazardous and, although quick working, are harder to apply than other types. They must be used at a much lower rate than other types of lime, usually 10 to 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Benefits. Lime increases soil pH and can improve the health and quality of your lawn. Lawns with a pH below 6.0 are considered very acidic and can benefit from liming. Acidic soils often suffer from a lack of nutrients that your grass needs, including nitrogen, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, sulfur and magnesium. When a lawn lacks nutrients, it fades in color, its growth rate decreases and it is more easily damaged by hot temperatures, drought and foot traffic. A weakened lawn is much more susceptible to weed problems. While liming does not kill weeds, it does improve your lawn's health by increasing nutrient availability, which can help it maintain strength and fight weeds on its own. Application. Before you decide that your lawn needs lime, have your local county extension office perform a pH test on your soil. Make sure to get a copy of the soil test report, as this will indicate how much lime your lawn needs. If the soil pH is 5.5 or below, add a liming agent at the rate suggested by the soil test report. Lime can be applied at any time except when the grass is frosted or wilted. Use a drop or spinner spreader, fill it with lime and spread one application in one direction and crisscross this with a second application to ensure even coverage. If you use ground limestone, it is best to apply it at the end of summer or beginning of fall. Most lawns will only need an application of lime once every few years. Considerations. It is crucial to remember that liming is not necessary for all lawns. Liming a lawn that is already acidic or over-liming can create alkaline soil that lacks necessary nutrients, thus increasing the potential for weeds. For the best results, have an expert perform a soil test rather than doing it on your own so you use the correct amount of lime for your soil.